Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we are in a very sunny but windy Ledbury. We're here for the Rolling for Cancer Convoy. Unfortunately we couldn't make it this morning to the start of the convoy, but we're here at the finish line to catch the cars as they arrive. There's going to be a Huracan STO driven by Paddock Life, which is a massive sponsor of Supercar Fest. There's going to be an R34, there's going to be a Performante and many other cars joining in as well. So we're here, it's been a pleasurable drive here as well through the Herefordshire countryside. And yeah, the sun is out considering it was stormy yesterday. It's quite nice to see the blue skies for a change. So how about we flip the camera around and I'll show you what cars turn up.
But I and it always made us laugh.
So that wraps up today's videos, guys. As you can see behind me is the STO and the Performante. It's been a fantastic afternoon. Met with some familiar faces from previous events that I've been to, such as Wheels on Wednesday, Supercar Fest, etc. It's been a great chilled afternoon, chilled evening. It's freezing cold, so we are going to head off home and enjoy the rest of our evening. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening too, and I'll catch you all in my next video.